Welcome to the Oracle of the Feather Crown Tree. This is your throat chakra reading for the week for your communication. This is a collective reading, so we can all share in it freely. I've asked the universe to bring us the best messages that we need this week for our greatest good. I have a repeat sort of card that came out in, I think, our foundational, our root chakra card. It's this image of fish in the sea, these different schools of fish. So I'll see how this message gets related in this reading, but I am seeing that, so there's a repeat there for the collective. I will start with the card readings directly from the author's books, and I will end with an intuitive interpretation of the spread. So the first card out from the Tao Oracle is Holding Together. The time of holding together supports all efforts that need harmonious and integrated cooperation with others. The only requirement is that each individual's commitment and involvement should be matched in intensity by everyone participating in the endeavor. Much more is possible when individual differences take a back seat to the overriding goal of maintaining harmony. Although some things may feel restrictive to individual personalities, ultimately, everyone is benefited when the me-first ego isn't indulged. There is an intangible energy that attracts and bonds otherwise separate parts into a singular functioning or oneness of purpose. In human terms, it is evidenced in friendliness, co-workers, the qualities of brotherhood and sisterhood, or community spirit. It is the invisible glue that creates heartfelt connections through a shared vision and common experience. This quality can manifest in any sphere of activity. In order to fully take advantage of their time spent together, each member of a group must be willing to share responsibility and perform their part of the task at hand. The ideal is to find the knack of moving in complete accord with one another, like a school of fish, as though of one body and of one mind. A genuine spirit of goodwill toward another that overrides the glitches and the uncertainties of any group effort will strengthen the connections among all the members. A group that acts in such all-encompassing unity can withstand any adversity that would otherwise create great difficulties for an individual. It goes without saying that heartfelt bonding between people is not only empowering of the entire relationship, but of each partner as well. Okay, now we're going to take a card from the Earth Star chakra, representing the voice of that chakra. And it's coming from the Power Deck. We have focus this week. Much of what you see in life is an agreement that something, is in fact true. To develop power, focus on one aspect of your life. This could be your career, a sport, or some endeavor that you have a passion about. Become an expert. In the process of becoming an expert, you fine-tune your whole being. You collect the important parts of yourself, and you begin to live the life of a warrior. Rid yourself of attitudes that are not essential to your task. Collect your energy and focus your power on wondrous and magical acts. Let the shell of your consciousness rise out of the ocean of your subconscious mind. It's just a matter of focus. And then the next card is going to be representing the universal chakra. And we're taking it from the Work Your Light Oracle. We have the message, Keepers of the Earth. You are not alone. Ancient ancestors stand before you. You are so supported, you do not stand alone. You have a magnificent team of helpers. We've also had this as a theme this week, by the way, this access to help through our spiritual practices. So you have a magnificent team of helpers, both in this world and of the earth, who are here to help you every step of the way. Call upon them for assistance. They are here to help. The keepers of the earth acknowledge the work that you have done already and are ready to work through you. They bow at your feet and thank you for wanting to stand for them, to devote your life to protecting the earth in your own unique way. It is time to increase your capacity to receive support in the physical realm. This can come in the form of financial abundance, acts of service from strangers, or people flocking to help you and your work. The only thing that is stopping you right now is your capacity to receive support. You deserve to be rewarded for the work that you are doing. You do not need to go at it alone. Call upon the keepers of the earth to help you and your mission. Open your heart and your mind to receiving more than you ever thought possible. What kind of support do you need? Call it in right away. Okay, so I'm going to look here at what we have coming out intuitively. Keeping in mind that this is representing the throat chakra, so the underlying theme of really speaking truth, communicating truth. I'm seeing that there is a sense of being in this environment. If you look out into your environment, you're seeing entire groups of people swimming in all these different directions. It's not in any way feeling like there's adversity or anything, but they're just coexisting, different schools of thought, basically. And they're all content in this for the most part. I do see maybe one group that looks fairly concerned, but other ones seem fairly self-assured. I do see you connecting and identifying with a certain group, as if you've found your tribe within this intermixing of energies around you. There is a sense of wanting to listen deeply to what is formed through this realm of humanity's presence, listening to what structures have been built, what structures are amazing and are beautiful, that have come through perhaps a school of thought that you need to go into and deeply listen to. This may be something that connects you both to your emotions, very clear, enlightened emotions, and a plane of existence that is enlightened thought as well. It shows that there's great stability that can be coming from this mix of thought and emotion when you tune into something that is profoundly beautiful to you, a structure that is natural even, that you're drawn to. I am seeing a sense of humbling and, once again, that ability to tune in through prayer, through meditation, and listen. And even though there may be layers of things that want to come through various realms, these energies that are coming through are for your highest good. They will give you a perspective. They will give you protection. They will nurture you. They will help you soar. They will give you wisdom. And they will be of a loving and wise frequency. So if you're feeling that type of energy coming through, that's what you want to tune into. And it's going to take you being still and allowing perhaps even your crown chakra to open to receive these messages. And they're there to definitely heal and make your thought space blossom. You'll be surrounded in energy that is of your highest good. So that's what I have for you guys this week. Thank you for being here with me. Please enjoy any of my other readings I have through my different playlists. I do a divine feminine and masculine energy reading for each week, as well as elemental readings for the different signs or different elements like fire and earth and whatnot for each week too. So take care, sending you love and much peace.